All right, now that we know what Google Sheets is, let's take a look at some of the ways that we can access Google Sheets. All right. Firstly, we can access it by just typing in the URL sheets.google.com. All right, so let's do that. Let's go into our address bar here, sheets.google.com. You see, I've already got it sitting right there. Enter. All right, and it brings us right to our Sheets homepage. Right from here, we see the ability to access several templates. We can search. We can also see recent documents that we've opened as well. Okay. Now, we know that Google Drive is going to be the default storage location for all of your Google Sheets that you create. So we can also create a new workbook from Google Drive. Let's take a look at that. So I'm going to go back over to Google and let's go to Google Drive. And I'm going to go ahead and click New. And notice that one of the options that I see under New is Google Sheets. Click right in that and it brings me to a new sheet. Beautiful, right? All right, so we can go to sheets.google.com. We can go through Google Drive. Now, if I have existing Sheets workbooks in here, I can open them and they will open up using Google Sheets. Let's open up this file here of Q1 sales. I'm going to double click on that. It's going to open up in the preview mode here so I can view it. And it's going to give me the option here to open with Google Sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and click right on that option. And it's going to load up for me. There we are. We have it opened up in Google Sheets. All right, let's go back to sheets.google.com. Of course, right from this area, I can create a new blank sheet. I can use one of these templates here as well. I have all these different templates in the gallery there that I can choose to look at. And I can do a blank one. So let's do a blank sheet. Click blank. And there we go. So lots of different ways that we can get into a new Google Sheets environment. We can go to sheets.google.com. We can create a new document through Google Drive, open up an existing document or template in Google Drive, or from the Sheets homepage, we can create a blank sheet. All right, let's talk about how we can take Excel files and open them up in Google Sheets. Excel and Google Sheets play very nicely